video, I am going to be talking to you about the different noises that guinea pigs make and what they mean, so let's just get into it. So the first guinea pig sound that I'm going to be talking about is wheeking. So this is normally an excited sound, and it sounds like a squeal or a whistle, and they do it very often whenever they expect food or want food or attention. The next guinea pig sound that we are going to be talking about is purring. So purring can actually mean different things depending on the pitch and the body language. So a deep purring and relaxed body language is generally meant as the guinea pig is content and happy. A very high-pitched purring that is associated with the guinea pig freezing in fear means that the guinea pig is angry or agitated by something, and they will often tense up whenever doing that. And a very short purr means that they are afraid of something that is going on around them. Another guinea pig sound that they make is called rumbling, and it is deeper than purring, but it is kind of hard to tell the difference. And it is used by males and females. Whenever the female is in heat, the male uses it to attract females, and females rumble whenever they are in heat. And if it is accompanied by a sort of mating dance, it is called rumble strutting. The next noise that guinea pigs make is called teeth chattering, and this is often made when angry or agitated, and they often show their teeth, and it means stay back or get back. The next sound that guinea pigs make is hissing. So this is a sign of a very upset guinea pig, and it can sound just like a cat when it hisses. The next four sounds that guinea pigs make are very uncommon, but they still happen, so I won't have any video clips of these sounds, but the first one is cooing, and it is a sign of reassurance. And it is mostly made by mother guinea pigs to their babies, but they sometimes do it to other adult guinea pigs as well. The next uncommon sound that guinea pigs can make is shrieking. It is a very high-pitched squeak, meaning fear, pain, or alarm. And if your guinea pig shrieks, you should go check on all of your guinea pigs just to make sure they're all okay and none of them are hurt. This next sound is whining, and it means dislike or annoyance or uncomfortable in guinea pigs. The last sound that guinea pigs can make is chirping. So chirping sounds kind of like a baby bird chirping, and your guinea pig might act like they're in some sort of a trance whenever chirping, but people don't actually know what this means yet. I hope you learned something in this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!